Good morning, Thailand. Today we're on a mission to go to a local beauty spot called Bang Saray. It's got a beautiful beach there, and we're going to go down there and have a coffee overlooking the ocean, and just basically relax a little bit, maybe take a few videos and a few photographs, and you know, take in the scenery. The main reason we're going this way today actually is because I need to call it home pro. I need to get some tools for a decorating job that I've got to do at home, so it's basically just past Home Pro, so we're going to mix a little business and pleasure, so to speak. It's the Heap area, and that's basically where Bang Saray is. So I reckon about 15 minutes from here. It's not a long ride. You see the three-wheeler in front of us there? I actually found out the correct name for these. They're called Seleng. I actually translated it literally as Sam Law, which basically in Thai means three wheels. But it's not, it's a Seleng, so I consider myself corrected there. Just passing a beautiful garden centre there. We buy a lot of stuff for the garden from this place. Good quality stuff. Now we've got a bit of a convoy now. All of a sudden bikes coming from everywhere. They're like bloody mosquitoes, you know. Everywhere. There's so many small businesses on this road, it does make you wonder how they make ends meet. But a lot of the businesses sell the same thing, you know. So it's a pretty rough competition, I think. Oh, there's a guy at the side of me who's got a dog in his arms, a little puppy. I'll try and get a picture of that if I can. Oh. Okay, got to hang a right here, get on the flyover. It's always dodgy. They never let you in, you know. It's you got to force your way in. Anyhow, we're there now, no problem. Okay, just try and catch up with the wife now. She's just on the inside lane there. Okay, no worries. There's always a tremendous amount of lane change in Thailand. They seem to change lanes, you know, more than any other country that I've been to. I mean, the Philippines is pretty bad. In India, parts of India are just nonsense, really. But Thailand, they seem to like to swap, you know, from the fourth lane to the inside lane, just on a whim. I don't know why they do it, really. I like to keep left, you know. It's always a lot safer keeping left when you're driving in this environment. You know, like in the UK, people actually drive to the rules, you know. Heavy vehicles stay in the left-hand side, the outside lanes for overtaking, and people, you know, in general, try to adhere to those rules. But very often you see like a 16-wheeler wagon on the outside lane in Thailand, you know, going like a bat out of hell. And quite frankly, there don't seem to be that many police about when they're needed. Just looking at this position of the camera today, the camera mount itself is, like I say, up front, and it's on the wing mirror. I managed to get some silicone rubber, and I attached it to the chrome, and I've attached the clamp onto that silicone rubber, and it's completely stopped the slipping. So if you're getting a problem with your mount slipping on chromium, I recommend that you try a strip of silicone rubber. I actually came across this by mistake. You know, I didn't go looking for it, put it that way. I bought a clamp and it came, and there was rubber included with the clamp, and honestly, it's marvellous. I've tried so many different ways to stop my clamp slipping, But this seems to be the solution. It's pretty sticky rubber, and obviously it sticks to the chromium, and also it sticks to the rubber, the internal rubber on the clamp itself. So yeah, if you're having a big problem like that, what I would do is to try and source some of this. Probably you can get it on Amazon, you get everything on Amazon, can't you? And probably in Asia it would be Shopee or Lazada. So yeah, it's certainly worth looking at anyway. Okay, so we're going to hang a left here. That'll take us through the underpass. So we keep right. Remember, we're driving on the left-hand side of the road. Oh, more tapioca. Must be the #1 crop in Thailand, I think. There's so much tapioca being planted at the moment. Okay, so we're going to hang a right here. Slowly goes, and that's it. We're going to, just where that car's coming out now, we're going to hang a left, and that takes us right down to the beach. It's pretty much a straight road. Here we go. Watch out for these soy dogs. Can give you a nasty little nip, you know. Yeah, we're getting a lot more breeze now. We're near the sea. It's a lot cooler down this end. Fantastic. You can see all the signs here advertising the seafood restaurants on the front. Fresh seafood every day. And the signs are always in 2-3 languages. You get a lot of Chinese tourists here now, and also Indian tourists, along with the Russian tourists. So you tend to get those 3 languages on the signs predominantly. They're trying to lure in the massive tourists. It's not what it used to be, you know. Going back 20 years, you got Europeans and Americans and Australians probably more than anything, but now we're getting a lot of the large population countries, should I say, Indian, Chinese and Ruski. Right, just going to stop here and put a second camera on the wife. A rest. Can't be any fun working in this bloody heat, can it, you know, without any protection. Okay, this is Bang Saray Beach, one of our little coffee haunts on the left-hand side there. You can see across the beautiful bay, looking across to the hills on the other side, and behind that is the Royal Thai Navy base. On the left here we've got a lot of condominiums overlooking the sea, prime position, Del Mar. I've got a friend looking at that at the moment actually, he wants to move down here. There's so many little shops on here as well, you know, you get some fantastic little restaurants. This one here, it does smoothies, and a bit further on we got another coffee place. Then we got a burger place. So there's, you know, you're never short of anything to eat or drink in Thailand, you know. And then of course you've got a massive Thai food. Whatever Thai food you want is always available 24/7. These vendors are everywhere, which is extremely convenient. There you go, we're coming into the car. That's my favourite actually. It's called the Slow Bar. It's a mobile coffee business, and it does press coffee there. It's absolutely superb, really good, and a very reasonable price too. So yeah, I like it at that place, and also the wife does too, which happy wife, happy life, as I say. Not much open yet. They tend to open around 10 o'clock-ish. Now the wife's getting a bit impatient now. She's gone in front of us. There we go. I've got to hit the gas a little bit there and get round that guy. Okay, we got the school and the football pitch at the back there. I don't know if you can see up front now, but we're coming into the area where there are 4 piers. We've got the Navy boat on the right hand side there. It's been there a good number of years. And so the piers on the right, there are 4 working piers there. So we're going to actually go on the back road towards those 4. So we're heading into Bang Saray Old Town. And you better tell the difference as soon as we get there, to be honest. These restaurants on the right here are absolutely superb for seafood. Preacher is probably the most famous of all of them. It's got a 5-star rating now. It's absolutely superb food. And again, fairly reasonable prices, you know. And it's always fresh because it's next to the pier, so you can't really go wrong. Right, we're going to turn right now into Bang Saray Old Town. There we go. Let me get round there. You see immediately a change of environment here. You've got the narrower road, you've got the old shops. And again, you get anything you need here. You know, there's so many little restaurants on this place. You got cash and carries, you got hardware stores, you got, you name it, it's all here, you know. And of course, you've got the accommodation, mainly small Thai places, but when you go further on to the end, there are some big international style hotels, you know, 3-4-star hotels. I personally would rather stay in a B&B, you know. I much prefer it that way, small place. Or a small hotel, you know. And that's nothing to do with the costs, you know, really. At the end of the day, I like it to be personal. I don't like to be a number. You know, when I work, I stay in 4-star accommodation all the time, you know, in many different countries. And you're just a number. You know, you get in a smaller place like that, they call you by your first name, and they really do look after you. There's a big difference, I think. Okay, the wife's changed her mind again. We're at the Maris restaurant now.